Good afternoon, everyone. First of all, I would like to thank AIOS Scientific Committee for giving me the opportunity to present. My topic is Impact of Lockdown on Ocular Injuries. Introduction. COVID-19 pandemic is a serious problem in current time across globe, leading to lockdown. This study investigated the effect of COVID-19 lockdown on the incidence of ocular trauma. Method. In this retrospective cohort study, we collected data of patients who presented with ocular trauma in the emergency department during the lockdown period from 22 March 2020 to 30th April 2020, which was a lockdown period. In addition, we collected data of patients presented with ocular trauma during the same period in the previous year. We compared the number of patients who underwent ocular surgery and the number of pediatric patients with ocular trauma between these two periods. A confounding factor may be the absence of patients from different districts who could not travel the center due to travel restrictions. Result. During the study period in 2020, between 22 April to 30th March, that is lockdown period, we found that 148 patients presented in the emergency department. In 2019, between the same month in previous year, we found 157 patients presented in the emergency department. And when we compared those patients, there was ocular trauma patients in the lockdown period was 78 patients, and in previous year it was 76 patients. And the pediatric population out of 78 in the lockdown period was 30% were the pediatric patients, and in the previous year out of 76, only 9% were the pediatric patients. These are the pictures of pediatric patients with trauma. And the surgical intervention required, and out of 78 in the lockdown period, 42% required surgical intervention, and out of 76 in the previous year, 37.2% required the surgical intervention. Because our hospital is a tertiary eye care center, patients from the surrounding district visit our hospital. However, because of COVID-19 lockdown, patients only from one district in which the hospital is located visited the center. Despite this confounding fact, many patients with ocular trauma present, with most of them being pediatric patients. Discussion. The increased incidence of ocular trauma observed in the current study may be attributed to the children being at home and limited mobility during the lockdown period. Many studies have examined the effect of COVID-19 lockdown in terms of disease prevention, environment, emotional and psychological conditions. The current study focused on the effect of COVID-19 lockdown on the incidence of ocular trauma. We found an increased incidence of ocular trauma, particularly in children. We could not find any study reporting similar findings. Conclusion, COVID-19 lockdown exerted a direct effect on the incidence of ocular trauma. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Hina. That was very interesting to see. That's true. I think children being at home, and that leads to more chaos happening among themselves, I guess. But have you divided the kind of traumas that needed surgical intervention, that needed, just medical management?
Ma'am, the amount, the count number with the surgical out of 78 for the 40%, and the rest were the medical treatment patients.
No,
and the most.
Did you differentiate the kind of trauma, whether it was just a penetrating injury or a non-penetrating injury, something like that?
Ma'am, mostly were the wooden stick injuries, and it was the penetrating injury, mostly.
Okay. But quite surprising, no, being at home to have so many injuries. I would probably think the reverse way, because you're in the house, there'll be nothing happening. So I think probably this may be with children who are not having proper shelter, and, because of the lockdown, being on the roads, and, having a lot of, probably, I don't know, I'm correlating it in the other way, that I don't know if Sangeeta has anything to add on to it.
Did you see the time of presentation? Did you note that, or? was it an early presentation or late presentation? Because most of the times it is happening with all the retina cases that, or
Yes.
all types of cases that the presentation is late. Because
Yes.
trauma time is the main thing, managing trauma.
And
Mostly
usually,
patients-
have you found that is there any follow-up on traumatic endophthalmitis, what they develop? It is with the iris prolapse, or they have IOFB, or they are just a blunt trauma? Have you done any?
Yes, sir. We segregated according to the surgeries required, and traumatic endophthalmitis were also found in few patients.
So how different?
Because of late, sorry.
Sorry. No, go ahead, Sangeeta.
No, was it because of late presentation or the kind of trauma?
Yes, ma'am. It was because of the kind of trauma. The patients, due to the lockdown, it came from the same city mostly. So they came within 24 hours mostly, presented within 24 hours.
Right.
Checking
Thank
how different this is from pre-COVID times. Like, is it statistically significant? The number of
Yes.
cases.
Yes, ma'am. We compared it with the previous year, the amount of patient we got in the emergency department, and the number we found that it was different, and the frequency of patients coming in the lockdown period was more. So we thought of studying by correlating the months from lockdown and the previous year.
Okay.
Okay. I
Thank
think
you,
time is up and we